Good morning, students. 8th standard. Take out your English textbook. Page number 8. Page number 8. Till the mice we cannot get rid of them. Till here we stop. Yesterday. I am right last video. Today we'll see what will happen today. I think I may have the answer on my ship, said the captain. And he said a message asking for a desk cannot be brought to the place. More food was laid out and the rats and mice appeared as before. The cat immediately pounced, killing at least a dozen before they scattered scattered. Even everyone was delighted, and the queen asked, "What do you call is this animal?" Puss is the name she answers to. She is the captain, said, and when the queen called Puss Puss, the cat went over to her and purred. The queen was little alarmed at first, and she had seen how fiercely the cat had attacked the rats and mice, but the captain told her not to be anxious. Puss is very friendly with people, he said, and would soon rid your kingdom of rats and mice. I would give the great wealth to own his animals, said the queen. So the captain began bargaining, and it was agreed that the king would buy the whole cargo from Mr. Fitzwarren's ship to pay its fine price of it, and for cat alone the kite paid 10 times the sum again. When the ship came back to the port of London, the captain showed Mr. Fitzwarren the gold and jewels and had brought from Badbury, and told him the story of the cat. The merchant said the deck. From now the deck, he said, he should call your Mr. Whittington for your rich man, Mr. Fitzwarren. Then paid him all the money the captain had reserved from the cat. From this time, Van Dyck worked with Mr. Fitzwarren and becoming a successful merchant himself. He married a Fitzwarren's daughter, Alice, and 3 times and was elected Lord Mayor of London. He was also in time knighted by the king and became Sir Richard Whittington. He was not only famous, but he was a popular too, for he always helped the poor with the money. Sometimes when he was old, he would tell his grandchildren the story of his cat and how the bills of London called him back when he was only a poor boy. Turn again Whittington, the worthy citizen, Lord Mayor of London. After that, they are thinking that the answer of my sheep was the caption. They sent the message for the deck's cat. After that, more food was laid, and the rats was immediately killing a list of dozen before. And after that, everyone were delighted, and the queen asked, "What you have called this animal?" So he is telling that Puss is the name of sheep. Puss is the name of the sheep, and she was called Puss Puss. The cat went over her, and the queen was little alarmed. The first she was seen the frequency the cat attacked the rats and mice, and then the people were Puss is very friendly with the people, he said, and would said right the kingdom of rats and mice. And after that, she that caption became a loan for the cat, and the king paid 10 times the sum again. After that, she come back and port of London, Mr. Fitzwarren gold of jewels and had brought for Badbury, and told the story of cat and merchant sent from the deck. After that, Fitzwarren was paid the money for the caption and reserved from the cat. From the time the deck worked, the Mr. Fitzwarren and became a successful merchant himself. He married a Fitzwarren daughter. He married a Fitzwarren daughter Alice, and then 3 times was elected Lord Mayor of London. He also was a king, became a Sir Richard Whittington. He was not only famous and he was a popular also. And then he helped the poor with the money sometimes when he was old. And then the story they were telling for the grandchildren, the story of the cat and how the bells of the London called the bag when he was only a poor boy. Okay, till the lesson was closed now. This lesson was closed. Today's homework is write question number 1A. Arrange the following set of the words in alphabetical order in your notebook. Take out your English notebook and write this homework. Only first question number 1A. See you given ship, small, successful, scolding, stone, saving, someone, stood, streets, still, screamed, sat, seemed, said, shared. These words are given. In alphabetical order, y'all should be arranging. Y'all should be arranging in alphabetical order. Write it neatly in your English notebook. Tomorrow we'll see the next main.